Hey guys, so I am not much for subscription services. There's a lot of them out there, and some of them, I don't know, good, some of them not so good. I saw one called Ivory Clasp, and I couldn't get over it. It is like a 40 some dollar subscription. You can either do bi-monthly or monthly. And the claim is that they will send you a purse that retails for $100 or more every month or every other month for your subscription cost of, I think it's either $40 or $49. Wow, I do like purses. So then, of course, it becomes, are they going to send me purses that I like? Are they going to be garbage? I'm worried about it. But because of the savings, and I don't know, I just really, that one really kind of sucked me in. Obviously, you get to keep the purses. It's not a rental service. So I did it, and the shipping was actually pretty fast. I ordered mine like on the 15th of November, and I just got it today, the day after Thanksgiving. And with the Thanksgiving holiday, there was a little bit of a delay, so even considering it being Thanksgiving and the holiday, it still got here fairly quickly. A lot of these places are like 10 days, 15 days, 30 days before you see your subscription. So I'm sorry, my cat is down here playing with my feet. So I'm going to open my box. It just got here. I figured we'd go ahead and do it live. I just broke the seal on the top, and I haven't opened it yet, so I figured we'll do it together. You do have to fill out like what your style is. I like handbags. I do like them to have the option of the shoulder, but I typically throw my purse on my arm and carry it like this. I am a business owner, so I do like that kind of casual / professional look, so that I can dress it up if I have to. I am like a square purse lover. Those kinds of all sizes, I like them. But I do like bigger ones. So we'll see after I filled out that quiz if they match my style preference. I'm really hoping it's not like one of those sacks, with a drawstring. That's just not my preference. Maybe some other people like them, or a clutch. I'm not a clutch person. So I'm hoping that they did a good job listening to my preferences. I figured maybe I'll show you for reference purposes. This is my bag that I'm carrying right now. So this is very atypical of the style that I like. So let's see how close they came. It's a fairly big box. Oh, this is nice. Here is your new bag from Ivory Clasp. We hope you love it as much as we do. Thank you for joining Ivory Clasp. And it says XO Team Ivory. And everybody signed it. And they're actual signatures. I guess that's the Ivory Clasp team. So that's actually really nice. I actually really like that. It's like a personal touch. And then it's got your invoice on it. Its monthly subscription is $45. And I used a promo code that I found online that gives you 50% off. So I actually, for like your first one, so my first time I only paid $22.50. So depending on the bag they send, oh my god, that could so be worth it. So this is your purchase order, comes along with it for your records. That's really cool. I like that. Oh my gosh, it's big. I love it already. So it is very much keeping in with my style. It is beautiful. Look at that. Ah. And it is a hand clutch, so I can carry it. Oh, I love it. Oh, and it does have the option. It does have the option to carry it as a bag, but I won't. Okay, so where's the retail? Okay, so here's the tag. And It is a Maison du Sceau, which is fantastic. And the retail is $128, and I don't know if you can see that. It's very fine print at the bottom, but it's $128, and I got it for $22.50. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so score. I'm totally happy with that.